Well, we're back and we now have the correct cam retainer plate for our small block Chevy. Our block measures 3.29 inches from mounting hole to mounting hole. And this is actually the plate we need. And it's GM part number 101-68501. And then this is the other one that I had that came with the motor. And it's 3.620 from mounting hole to mounting hole. And it's part number 100-88128. And you can get these at Summit or Jegs or whatever. Comp also makes them, but these were like $18 and $19 each, and the comp one was like $44.95 or something like that. So I figured the general must know what he's doing, so I went ahead and went with the GM part and saved a few bucks too. Well, we got our the correct cam retainer plate, the 3.92-inch plate. Lines up perfectly with the holes, so we're going to go ahead and finish that part of the cam install. We have the screws that came with the other plate. This one didn't come with any, but put just a tiny dab of red Loctite on each one and torque them to, it says 105 inch-pounds, and the only torque wrench I have with that's inch-pounds is an old lever type one, and should get us there anyway. But anyway, we'll go ahead and do that. Just a drop. Get just a tiny drop. I know this stuff works pretty good, but don't want too much, because knowing my luck, I'll have to pull this back apart again. All right, that should do it. Got our timing chain and everything over there. We'll do that next. But oh, and then a quick reminder: I went ahead and cleaned this stuff all off with a brake clean. After you cut your finger on the cam gear, cleaning it, a day later, don't spray it down with brake clean. That hurts.